Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss some topics of gravitation, chapter number 5. First topic is law of gravitation and Newton's law, and the next one is gravitational field and the mass of Earth. What is the relation between law of gravitation and Newton's law of motion? It is to be noted that each mass m1 and m2 exert same force on each other. If we say that m1 exert the force of f1, then m2 exert the force of f2, which is unequal in magnitude but opposite in direction, which is also consistent with Newton's third law of motion. So we can write here as f1 is equal to f2, and which is equal to, according to Newton's gravitation law, g m1 multiplied by m2 divided by r square. So what is a gravitational field? Gravitational field is an area around the earth with which we feel a gravitational pull towards the surface of earth. Gravitational pull of the earth acting on the body whether the body is in contact with earth or not. This gravitational field exists all around the earth, but it goes on decreasing when we move farther and farther and move up from the surface of the earth. This field is directed towards the center of the earth, and the gravitational force per unit mass is known as gravitational field strength, and it is equal to G is equal to F divided by M, which is from Newton's second law. F is equal to ma, and if we are taking the gravitational field, we can easily replace A with G, and which is equal to 10 Newton per kg. So let's derive the mass of Earth by using Newton's gravitation law. Consider a body of mass m on the surface of Earth, and the mass of Earth is denoted by capital Me, and the distance between both of the masses from the centers is denoted by capital R, which is also equal to the radius of Earth. So according to law of gravitation, F is equal to G m1 m2 divided by r square. By replacing the value, we have m1 is a small mass m, and the capital m2 is a mass of earth, which is equal to capital Me, divided by r is the distance between their centers, which we have taken here the radius of earth, so r square. This is equation number 1. But the force with which earth attract the body is equal to the weight of the object. According to Newton's second law, F is equal to mg. So this is equation number 2. By comparing equation number 1 and 2, we get mg is equal to g me divided by r square. By cancelling m and small m, we get g is equal to g me divided by r square. By rearranging, we get capital M is equal to small g multiplied by r square divided by capital G, which is equal to these values, and we know that these all are constant. G at the surface of earth is equal to 10 ms minus 2, which is gravitational acceleration, and r is the radius of earth, which is equal to 6.4 10 raised to power into 10 raised to power 6 meter, and taking gain square divided by G. This gravitational constant is equal to 6.673 into 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. After further solving, we get the mass of Earth approximately equal to 6 into 10 raised to power 24 kg. So we have easily derived the mass of Earth by using law of gravitation. Thank you.